Hi, my name is Sarah. I want to tell you about my day. Today, I used some simple English phrases that are easy and helpful. These phrases are great for daily life. I will explain how I used them and where you can use them too. Let's start. I did not say that. This morning, my friend Lisa called me. She was very upset. She said, "Sarah, why did you tell Emily that I didn't like her drawing?" I was surprised. I said, "Lisa, I did not say that. I think Emily's drawing is beautiful." Lisa paused for a moment and said, "Oh, maybe Emily misunderstood." I told her, "Next time, let's talk before you get upset. I am always honest with you." This phrase is helpful when someone thinks you said something, but you didn't. You can use it to explain and clear up confusion. I told you so. Later, my little brother Sam wanted to play outside without his jacket. It was very cold, and I told him, "Sam, wear your jacket. You will feel cold if you don't." Sam said, "No, I'm fine," and ran outside. After 10 minutes, he came back inside shivering. He said, "Sarah, it's so cold outside." I smiled and said, "I told you so, Sam. You should listen to me next time." This phrase is good when you warn someone, and they find out you were right. It serves you right. In the afternoon, Sam tried to eat my chocolate without asking me. I told him, "Sam, don't touch my chocolate. It's not yours." But Sam didn't listen. He took a bite, and it was dark chocolate. Sam hates dark chocolate. He made a funny face and said, "Yuck. This is so bitter." I laughed and said, "It serves you right, Sam. Next time, ask me first." This phrase is used when someone faces the result of their own bad decision. Give me a hand. In the evening, my mom was cooking dinner. She had a lot of work to do. She looked at me and said, "Sarah, can you give me a hand, please? I need help with the vegetables." I said, "Sure, Mom. I can chop the carrots and potatoes for you." We worked together, and dinner was ready faster. This phrase is polite and useful when you need help with something. Do me a favor. After dinner, my dad was fixing a chair. He needed a hammer but couldn't find it. He said, "Sarah, can you do me a favor? Please check if the hammer is in the garage." I said, "Of course, Dad. I will look for it." I found the hammer and gave it to him. Do me a favor is another way to ask for help politely. Tell me about yourself. In the evening, we had new neighbors over for tea. My mom introduced me to a girl named Emma. She said, "Sarah, this is Emma. She is your age." I smiled and said, "Hi, Emma. Nice to meet you. Tell me about yourself." Emma said, "Hi, Sarah. I love to draw and play piano. What about you?" I said, "I like drawing too. Maybe we can draw together someday." This phrase is great for meeting new people and learning about them. I am feeling under the weather. At night, my dad looked tired and weak. He said, "Sarah, I don't feel very good. I am feeling under the weather today." I asked, "Dad, do you want some tea?" Maybe it will help you feel better. He said, yes, please. That would be nice. This phrase is used when you feel a little sick or not well. I am broke. Last week, I spent all my pocket money on art supplies. Today, my friend Lisa asked, Sarah, do you want to go to the mall with me? I said, I wish I could, Lisa, but I am broke. I don't have any money right now. Lisa said, that's okay. Maybe we can just go for a walk instead. This phrase is used when you don't have money to spend. I need your help. In the evening, I was doing my homework. I had a math question that I didn't understand. I went to my mom and said, Mom, I need your help. Can you explain this question to me? She looked at the question and said, Of course, Sarah. Let's solve it together. This phrase is polite and simple. You can use it whenever you need assistance. Thank you very much. When we finished my homework, I looked at my mom and said, Thank you very much, Mom. You are the best. She smiled and said, You're welcome, Sarah. I'm happy to help. This phrase is a polite way to show gratitude when someone helps you. These are some of the simple phrases I used today. They are very easy to learn and can help you in many different situations. Try to practice them with your family or friends. The more you practice, the better you will get. Good luck!